Good morning. I'm Ramya from DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. Today we are going to continue our second lesson, acids and bases. So today we are going to discuss about some more characters of acids, bases and neutrals. When a magician cuts a lemon, blood flows out of it. Why? Did you think? No. Actually, he uses a knife dipped in methyl orange or hibiscus solution to cut lemon. When these indicators mix with acid, it turns into red color. Lemon contains citric acid. If we observe pickles and other sour substances which are acidic in nature, when we store them in metal containers like brass or copper, they get spoiled because of the reactions in between metal and acids. So observe this following table which shows the differences between the reactions done by acids and bases. Have you ever heard about acid rains? Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid along with rainwater. Acid rains causes damage to buildings, monuments like Taj Mahal, and also for our skin. Industrial waste gases contain sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide. When they get mixed with moisture, they change into acids. Acid rains are also witnessed or state in Vishakhapatnam district. Now, let us do an activity to know the properties of acids. So, to do this activity, take a test tube and put minimum 10 ml of diluted HCl into it. Now add some zinc granules and close the test tube with a cork and attach a delivery tube to it. Now the other end of the delivery tube, put it in a beaker with soap water. Leave the arrangement for few minutes. When we observe some bubbles coming out of the delivery tube, lighting candle in front of the bubbles, what can we observe? The lighting candle puts off with a sound, so we can confirm the gas evolved in this experiment is hydrogen. So when an acid reacts with metal, a salt and hydrogen is evolved. Now let us do an activity to show how indicators helps us to identify acids and bases. To do this activity, take a test tube, wash it cleanly, add 10 drops of hydrochloric acid to the test tube. Now add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. Shake the test tube well. We cannot see any type of reaction. Now start adding sodium hydroxide drop by drop to the test tube. We can see the solution is changing into pink color. Now again start adding hydrochloric acid drop by drop to the test tube. We can see that the solution is again changing into a colorless solution. This shows that the indicator phenolphthalein helps us to identify acid and bases. In acids, phenolphthalein changes into colorless, and when we add bases, the phenolphthalein changes into pink color. From the above activity, we can also say that acids and bases mix to form water and salts. This is called as neutralization. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is mixed with HCl. It forms NaCl and water. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizers has increased. Though the use of chemical fertilizers increases the production of crops, it changes the nature of the soil. Some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil, whereas some fertilizers increases the basicity. Thus, the use of natural manures is becoming more preferred these days. From the above tabular column, we can identify the acidic salts, basic salts, and also neutral salts. Here, the following tabular forms shows the uses of acids, bases, and also salts. So with this, we conclude our second lesson, acids and bases. Thank you.